hello everyone, my people out there. If you are new, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is called Kissman. Please, if you are new, subscribe, like the video. So please, yes, hello everyone, my people out there. If you are new, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is called Kissman. Please, if you are new, subscribe, like the video, and give your comments. So today I am here at DC. People who know about DC, this is where we are. You can see, look at the town, look at the place. So we are here to attend the convention, which is called Unaa. So this is where the convention is going to take place. Look at that. Yes, that is the place. So I'm here with a team of my friends who are going to do videography with me today to capture part of this event. And today being the first day, we are just going to do what they call orientation, or rather introduction of the convention. So keep there with me and let's move together. Look at how beautiful this place is. Okay, look at the hotel, so great. Yes, people, I told you today we are in Washington DC. It's where we are right now. As you can see, people are here getting ready for this convention of Unaa. So please, if you are out there, look at how beautiful this place is. Please guys, come and have fun here. Look at how fantastic the arrangement is.
Big man.
Look at the place. So this is where we are for 3 days. So you can see there are tables here for people who have their businesses, they are advertising. So they are here. They have hired tables for the day. Yeah. So when you come here, there's registration going on here. You can see that table, that window there. Let's go. Yeah. Some people have come to do their businesses here, as you can see. African style, African fashion. Today, Friday, put effort and come in here. Today is just the beginning. All the tables here are hired. As you can see, people who have business, they have already exposed their business out here. So this is the main hall where the whole function is taking place. So you can see how work is going on here. Look at how the place is all set. Look at this. Very nice decorations going on here. So please, if you're out there, look at how beautiful this place is. Please guys, come and have fun here. Look at how fantastic the arrangement is. See